Hey everybody, it's been a long winter, not much video going on, so I wanted to do something today. You know, as you can see, we're doing something a little bit different, not doing any aviation, just going to talk about agriculture and the effects that water has on farmland. Just kidding. No, we're going to go flying. So here at the Lone Rock Airport, we've had about 6 inches of rain in the last 4 days, and that's caused quite a flooding situation. So we were supposed to be here getting an oil change and some other maintenance done, and instead we're going to pull her out and see if we can get back to the farm. Okay, got our pre-flight done. Walked the ramp so we know where the deep spots are. And we're just going to take it nice and slow through here. So we had the 6 inches of rain in the last 48 hours or so, 48, 72, I forget which. And we got fuel right before that. I sumped the tanks, made sure that none of that water got in here. This looks like the deepest part right here. Okay, so today we're going to 3 castles. We're going to go pick up a gas caddy. So here we go.
Celsius. Dew point 17 Celsius. Altimeter 3008. For most density altitude 1,800.
This part of the world sure is green during the summer. If you don't like green, this is not the place to be. Luckily, I do kind of like green. And you know what? It's been a while since I mentioned our sponsor. So, Plane Perfect sponsors these videos and makes this content available. They're a big part of the reason this channel exists. So in any other plane, would be a little high or a little fast on this approach. But with the Maul, which has the glide ratio of a cannonball, it'll be in good shape. Three Castles traffic, Orange Mall, back taxi 10. Three Castles traffic, Orange Mall departing runway 10, Three Castles. Okay, so that's the utility of a GA aircraft out here in the farms of southwestern Wisconsin. So click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.